Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to download WhatsApp using your iPhone or Android. So if you're using iPhone, it's the same. Just go to the App Store and download the WhatsApp application. But if you are using Android devices, I'm using right now, you just go here on Play Store and type here on search bar the WhatsApp. So just type right here and then tap search. And you can see the WhatsApp Messenger right here. All you need to do is just tap on this install button, the green button right here, and wait for a few seconds or a minute after you download this application. So once you've done right now, you can now tap on this open button and you can now set up your WhatsApp application. And then here, just tap on agree and continue. And here you need to type on your phone number. And then right here, you need to tap on continue and to allow all the contacts and the video camera right here, just tap on allow. And then right here, you can now put your profile picture. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.